I've been running my YouTube channel for a while now, and if there's one question I get asked more than anything else, it's this: how do you actually make money from this while you're still growing? Most people think you have to wait until monetization, but I found a way to generate income consistently without waiting for the YouTube to pay me. In fact, I've made close to $15,000 in the last few months just by using one simple tool alongside my content creation. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how I do it, including a step-by-step walkthrough of the tool that makes this possible, even if you're just starting out and have zero experience. Alright, before we get into the actual process, I want to be completely honest with you. This isn't one of those make $10,000 in your first week schemes. It took me time to figure out the right approach, to refine my messaging, and to understand what actually works. So if you're looking for instant results with zero effort, then I'm sorry. This video isn't for you. Let's get started. How many times have you poured hours into creating a video, edited it perfectly, posted it with the best thumbnail you could make, and then nothing? The views trickle in slowly. The problem isn't your content. The problem is that you're only looking at one side of the equation. You're creating value, but you're not connecting that value to the people who are willing to pay for it right now. Now, imagine this instead. What if you could take the skills you're already using to create YouTube videos and offer them directly to businesses and creators who need exactly what you do? And what if you could find those people in minutes instead of spending hours searching blindly? That's exactly what Lessie AI helps me do. Lessie AI is an AI-powered agent built to find contacts based on your specific goals. If you're a video editor, a thumbnail designer, a scriptwriter, or even a channel strategist like me, you can use it to find potential clients who are already showing signs they need your services. You don't need technical skills. You don't need expensive tools. You just need to know who you're looking for. Let me walk you through a real example so this becomes very clear. I write a clear prompt that describes my ideal client. For example, find YouTube creators in the self-improvement and motivation niche who have between 10,000 and 100,000 subscribers, post consistently, but could improve their scripting and storytelling quality. Look for creators who mention wanting to grow or improve their content in their profiles or posts. Now let me show you exactly how this works inside the platform. First, I log into my Lessie AI dashboard. Right on the main screen, there's a clean search bar where I can type in my prompt. This is where being specific matters most. I paste the prompt I just showed you, describing exactly who I'm looking for. Then I click the Find button. Once I click it, Lessie AI starts searching across multiple public platforms. You'll see a loading animation while it works its magic. This usually takes about a minute or two. After the search completes, the results appear in a clean, organized list. Right away, I can see names, profile pictures, roles, company names, and locations. This is already more organized than anything I could build manually in hours. Now I want to check if these are actually good matches. I click on the first profile to open it. A sidebar opens showing me more detailed information about this person, what they post about, their engagement, and why they might be a fit. I review it quickly and decide, yes, this could work. I click on a second profile to compare. Same thing. I can see all their public information in one place without leaving the platform. This alone saves me from opening dozens of browser tabs. When I find profiles that look promising, I don't need to copy anything manually. I simply click the Save to My List button on each profile I want to keep. One click and they're saved. I can do this for as many profiles as I want. Once I'm done, I head over to the My List section. Here, everything I saved is waiting for me, perfectly organized. No spreadsheets, no copy pasting, no mess. This is especially useful because I work with multiple types of clients. I can create different lists for different niches, one for self-improvement channels, another for business channels, another for tech creators. Each list stays separate and organized, so I can come back anytime and pick up right where I left off. And I can also export everything with one click. I just click the export button and choose my format. I download the list as an Excel file. When I open it, I see a clean professional table with details like name, profile link, email, company, job title, location, and more. This kind of structured data would normally take me days to collect. Here, it's done in minutes. I can import this into my CRM, use it for tracking, or keep it as a backup. But honestly, most of the time, I don't need to export because the next step happens right inside Lessie AI. This is where everything comes together. Instead of switching to another tool, I can send emails directly from inside the platform. I select the contacts I want to reach out to. Then I click Send Email. A new window opens where Lessie AI automatically generates a personalized outreach email based on my services and the profiles I selected. Here's where prompt writing matters again. When I tell Lessie AI what I offer, what outcome I want for the creator, and the tone I prefer, friendly, direct, professional, it writes much stronger emails. I review the draft. Maybe I want to adjust the tone or make it shorter. I can ask the AI to refine it further with a simple instruction. Once I'm happy with it, I add my name, my portfolio link, and send. The entire workflow from finding to contacting happens in one place, which saves me hours every week. Now here's the part that people don't expect. When I work with these creators, I'm not just making money, I'm also growing my own channel. Every time I help a creator improve their scripting or strategy, I learn something new. I see what works, what doesn't, and what audiences actually respond to. I take those lessons and apply them to my own content. Plus, some of these creators eventually mention me in their videos or give me shoutouts, which brings new viewers to my channel. It's a cycle that keeps feeding itself. Before we wrap up, there's one important thing I want to clarify. Lessie AI only organizes publicly available information such as professional profiles and contact details that already exist online. It does not access private, sensitive, or confidential data. So I'm using information ethically and responsibly, just in a much smarter and more efficient way. At the end of the day, Lessie AI isn't just about finding clients. It's about saving time, reducing guesswork, and helping me focus on meaningful conversations that actually move the needle. Finding the right people is only the beginning. Once I have them, I can pitch my services, share my portfolio, and start conversations with creators who are far more likely to say yes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to try Lessie AI yourself, here's exactly what you need to do. Use the official link in the description. It has a special code so Lessie AI knows I sent you. When you create your account, make sure to enter the invitation code to unlock a special offer. As soon as you sign in, run your first search. Save a list using the Save to My List button, and try sending your first AI-written email using the Send Email button. Experience the full workflow for yourself. Within just a few minutes, you'll have a qualified list of potential clients ready to start real conversation.